Welcome to Zion Foodtrucks on this beautiful day. We have a very special truck leaving us today, and I'd like to show its many features. We're starting on the inside today because the guys are doing a little bit of work on the top of the truck. While I wait that, let's start here. Of course, that's the 3 compartment. This truck is for Ymca, and this is going to Granby, Colorado, which is a ski town close by. So this is of course built to pass code as with all our food trucks and trailers of that particular county and surrounding ones. This one is a 3 compartment sink, and you'll notice here that there are no open seams for water to seep in and become kind of gross. 3 compartment sink, hand wash sink with splash guards. You can see stainless steel walls inside. And of course, inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation and 9/16 inch of plywood. So it's quite a comfortable place to work in. Making it more comfortable is the air conditioner up front. Between the panels of the stainless steel are these trims that prevent grease from getting inside. That prevents that food truck smell, old food truck smell. This truck also has speakers, and that's the Bluetooth receiver for that. This is a 2023 18-foot food truck. That's the starter for the generator. This has a Cummins generator, which is inside this box. That's the generator box right there. And of course, our generator boxes, we use them as a table as well. So on top of that are some bun warmers to keep the hot dog buns warm. On top of those is a Char grill. And this is, we're very proud of this one, how we utilize the space in this food truck. It's got a lot of equipment, and we managed to cram them all inside comfortably and safely. Of course, like I said, the generator box, the bun warmers, 2 of them, and a Salamander, LP Salamander. You can see the fire suppression drops for that because that's grease cooking. The hood itself is 17 foot long. The truck itself is 18 foot long, and the hood is the cover 17 foot, most of the length of the truck. Oven and 4 burners, and a grill, a Char grill, 36 inches, a flat top or a griddle, 36 inches, a fryer, 40-pound 2 basket, and a Worktop freezer. Of course, that's the door to go outside, and this is the fire suppression bottles, basically, which are of course tagged as it's been inspected. Passes code, obviously. That is the proofer, and that's the refrigerator, reach-in refrigerator, that is. That's a pizza prep table. Of course, as with all equipment, they are all bolted down to the floor with washers. Taller pieces of equipment like this refrigerator are also bolted to the walls to prevent them from tipping over. Electrical in this truck, as with others, completely isolated. So every single piece of equipment has its own breaker. They're all home runs, so to speak. Right there is a transfer box to switch from generator power to utility power. Right now it's on utility power. And all the wiring are in conduits. They are not inside the walls. If they were inside the walls, over time it would chafe, and you would have electrical short circuits. The floor is aluminum diamond plate, and between the walls and the floor is what you call a coke base, which is rubber. Water heater, water tanks. Let's go outside and see the outside looks. On the back of this truck is of course a 36-inch door, and which is obviously wrapped and everything. That is where the propane tanks live. We don't put them in the back of the truck because, what if something gets rear-ended and then it can blow up. So we put them on the inside this little door. Those are called belly tanks. They'll hold 100 pounds of propane, and that is the shore power connection. This is the diesel fuel tank. Actually, that's the gasoline fuel tank. This is, sorry, it's kind of tight in here, but that's the generator, Cummins generator, and it's diesel fuel tank. If it's gasoline generator, we would have hooked it up directly to the fuel tank of the truck, but in this case, it's not. It's a gasoline truck and a diesel generator, so it has its own generator, and the generator has its own door, and that's the tailpipe. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck that is going down to YMCA Snow Mountain Ranch here in Colorado. If you have any questions, or if you would like a truck like this yourself, do let us know through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you and have a nice day.